Hi there, fans of black, this one is for you. The Nothing Ear 2 is coming in black, and let me tell you, I'm absolutely loving it. Now technically, it's the same earphone that comes in white, whether its specifications, dimensions and sound quality, all are the same. In fact, we even compared them side by side and they are absolutely identical. The lid on the white is clear transparent, but the one in black is a little darker, more translucent, matching the tone of the black Ear 2. However, now they include a new feature called Advanced Equalizer, which will offer customization to the next level. Apart from that, the Nothing Ear 2 is packed with all the premium features that you can think of. There's ANC on board, there's app support, there's dual device connectivity, equalizer control and a lot more. Luckily this time we also got a chance to test the noise cancellation on a flight. We'll share our experiences, the pros and cons, and of course, we'll also have a closer look at the new black variant so you can decide if you should buy the all-new Nothing Ear 2 or not. Let's begin. So here is the retail packaging of the Nothing Ear 2. You can see the Nothing branding, an image of the earphones, Ear 2 written here, and if you look closely, very fine print and you can see some manufacturing details and the MRP of 12,999. Now Nothing has a really unique packaging. You don't need anything to open it. Simply pull this red tag. There you go. And you're done. So right on the top is this paper holding case which comes with the QR code and it says download the Nothing X app. Then inside here is some paperwork that includes the user manual and the safety guide. And here are the earphones itself. Oh my god, it's black. Lovely. We'll have a look at it in just a moment. Then you have extra earbuds of different sizes. And finally, a braided USB-C to USB-C charging cable. I so wish this was black too. A quick glance at the new black color. This looks and feels just amazing. The build is completely polycarbonate but feels very premium. USB-C port on the side along with the pairing reset button. Transparent design is something we immediately connect with Nothing. The top lid is also darker. It's got that black tone to it. The lid can be opened with one hand, though you need some practice for it. Inside are the earphones. Let's remove them and see. Firstly, I'm loving this black color. It's got the buds design with a small stem. The stem is transparent, which really stands out. You can also spot the microphones for noise cancellation and phone calls. Overall, I'll say that the build quality is top notch. The earphones come with IP54 rating, while the case comes with IP55 rating. So mild splashes and sweat should be fine. However, don't completely submerge them in water. Anyway, it also gets the latest Bluetooth 5.3, so better stable connectivity. Then Google Fast Pairing, simply open the lid and you'll see a pairing pop up on your Android phone. Click to pair and start using instantly. iPhone users will have to follow the standard pairing process. However, the best way would be using the Nothing X app. Download it from the Play Store or App Store. Open the lid, press the pairing button and the Ear 2 will show up. Follow the pairing process and it's done in just a couple of seconds. More about the app later. Coming to the fit and comfort. Well, I'm currently wearing both and I can tell you that they snug in really nicely, blocking most of the passive sound. It's also really light and comfortable and can be worn for long hours without any problem. We tried shaking our head and I can tell you that they won't fall off either. Just make sure that you have the right bud size because that will make a huge difference in fit and sound. Talking about the sound quality. Well, for starters, it gets really loud and even at full volume, there's no distortion at all. 11.6mm drivers provide a richer, fuller sound experience. Excellent clarity when it comes to vocals and instrument separation. The bass also is tuned really well and the punch lands perfectly. Along with that, it won't also give you a migraine. Overall, it's got a very balanced sound experience. Something you can wear and listen for hours. By the way, these also come with active noise cancellation. And what better way to check ANC than on a flight? We got a chance to experience it, and when we switched on ANC, it cancels out all the white noise on a flight, like an engine sound almost muted by 85 to 90%. My ears also didn't feel that pressure, that ANC pressure, that vacuum pressure, which means no headaches. And that's something I've experienced before with so many other noise cancellation earphones. The best part is when you wear these and turn on noise cancellation, it becomes so quiet. It feels like you've separated yourself from the world. Just enjoy bright, crisp, clean audio. By the way, even if you aren't listening to music, you can put these on turn on noise cancellation on a flight and take a nap. It cancels sound up to 40 decibels, which is considered really good. And trust me, they're extremely comfortable as well. You can choose the amount of noise cancellation from high, from medium to low, and my favorite, adaptive mode. This changes the amount of noise cancellation depending upon the external noise levels around you. It drastically helps extend battery life. Then you can switch to transparency mode, which basically enhances the ambient sound around you. Not at all recommended to be used on a flight. It will only increase the engine sound and the chatter around you. However, it's great to be worn when you're outdoors to be aware about the traffic around you. So if you're taking a walk or going for a run, this would be perfect situation to use it. Then we also use these for phone calls. Here's a demo. So the audio you're hearing right now is being recorded from the microphones of the Nothing Ear 2. I think it's quite clear and audible with no noticeable echo or lag. It's very clear indoors as well as outdoors. It cancels out most of the ambient sound perfectly. However, you guys are the best judge. Write down in the comments and let me know how you think the audio sounds. So the Nothing X app support is available on both Android and iOS, and it's got a ton of customization and control. For starters, you can see the battery percentage of the buds and the case. Then you can choose the preset equalizers, balanced, more bass, more treble, voice, and custom. Here you can adjust the bass levels, the mid levels, the treble levels. Then one of my favorite features is personal sound profile. To set it, you have to wear these earphones and it will run a couple of sound tests that will help it tune the audio as per your hearing. This might not seem like a big thing at first, but the difference in audio quality with personal sound profile tuned on is day and night. It's truly next level. Then these earphones also come with pinch control to pause play, to change tracks, to answer reject calls, to toggle noise cancellation, transparency mode. Actually, you can even control the volume with these pinch controls. The best part is you can custom set each gesture of each earphone separately from the Nothing app. Everything that you can think of is here. By the way, these also come with in-ear detection. So the audio pauses the moment you take these out and they resume the moment you put them in. You can turn off this feature from the Nothing app settings. Another handy feature is dual pairing. It's such a blessing to have this feature. Now you can pair two phones at the same time, or you can pair your phone and laptop at the same time. It's really helpful. For example, you receive a call on your phone and you're watching a movie on your laptop. The connection will automatically switch to the phone. You can answer and talk. Once the call ends, the connection switches back to the laptop. So you can continue watching your movie and it works so well, really handy. Then there's also low latency mode, which can be toggled from the Nothing X app. Ideal for gaming or while watching movies. The audio syncs perfectly. And frankly, I didn't notice any delay at all. Works like a charm. It supports all the popular Bluetooth codecs. There's AAC support, there's SPC support, there's also LHDC support. Aur kya chahiye? Coming to the battery, so the case comes with a 485 mAh battery that provides about 36 hours juice to the earbuds. The earbuds themselves come with 33 mAh battery that provides about 6 hours of music playback. But with noise cancellation, expect a maximum of 4 hours, which is also quite good. It also supports Qi wireless charging, though slow, but personally I find it quite convenient. The Nothing Ear 2 has everything you look for in premium wireless earphones. It comes with low latency mode, it comes with dual pairing, it comes with wireless charging, excellent audio fidelity, ANC that we also tested on a flight. And now with advanced equalizer and black color variant, these are one of the easiest to recommend earphones under 10,000. The price remains the same, 9,999. You can pick the white or black, make your pick. By the way, the new advanced equalizer feature will also make it to the white variant of the Ear 2 with a firmware update. So if you already own one, nothing's got you covered there. I'll share the links of the Ear 2 in the description, just go buy them. There's no going wrong here. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer them all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.